it's time for snack time on Noggin.
Oh, wait till I give these to my friends. Why, I'll say, well, if I had a kangaroo, you know what I would choose to do for you. I'd give it all to you. Because the grapes of generosity are overflowing down into my shoe. Hi, little cave pals. And if I had a blue kazoo, you know what I would choose to do for you. Choose to do. I give it all to you. All to you. Because the grapes of generosity are overflowing down into my shoe. Boy, really good. And if I found a chicken stew, you know what I would choose to do for you. Choose to do. Boy, give it all to you. All to you. Because the grapes of generosity are overflowing down into my shoe. Boy. I'm taking these little beauties home with me. Boy.